Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will explain how to configure the firewall filter NAT Masquerade. This is a topology that I use. Okay, after that we open the Winbox. NAT that is a run on MikroTik router uses a masquerade action. With this masquerade, the proxy router will hide all client computers on LAN network while making it seem as if every data packet sent from the client computer to the internet all comes from the router. Okay, after that, first we check the interface using the command interface print command, and here we can see if the Ether 1 is connected to the laptop and VLAN 1 connect to the AP. Later I will configure the internet access on the VLAN 1. After that we enable VLAN 1 using the interface enable VLAN 1, enter, and here we check with the command interface print, enter, and here we can see the X mark is gone. Okay, next we configure the security profile on the VLAN 1 interface using the command interface wireless security profiles. Add name is profile 1, and then mode is dynamic case, authentication types WPA PSK, and then WPA2 PSK, and then unicast shippers ISCCM TKIP, and then group shippers ISCCM TKIP, and then WPA pre-shared case is MHRNI 123, and then WPA2 pre-shared key is MHRNI 123, enter, and we check with the command interface wireless security profile print, enter, and here we can see the security profile with name profile 1 is already successfully we create. Then after that we do the scan on VLAN 1 to choose the AP we will using the command interface wireless scan VLAN 1, enter, and then Q, and here I will use the AP with SSID Maharani. Okay, after that we set the VLAN 1 interface using the interface wireless set VLAN 1 mode station, and then band is 2 GHz BGN, and then SSID is Maharani, and security profiles is profile 1, enter, and we check with the command interface wireless print, enter, and here we can see if the router client has connected to the AP and the status is R or running. Next we do the request IP address to the AP using the command IP DHCP client at interface VLAN 1, and then disable no, enter, and we check with the command IP DHCP client print, enter, and here we can see the status is bound and get the IP address 192.168.43 and then 156/24. To make sure, we do the ping test to Google using the command ping google.com. Enter, and here we can see the result is replay or successful. After that, we configure the IP address using the command IP address at address 24.24.24.1/24 interface ether 1. Enter, and we check with the command IP address print. Enter, and here we can see if we have successfully added the IP address. Then we do the IP configuration manually to the client. We make sure if the IP address used is network with the IP address that we guessed earlier. We open the network. We change adapter setting. After that, we open the properties. IPv4 properties, and then the IP is 24.24.24.25, and then default gateway is 24.24.24.1, and DNS is 8.8.8.8. Okay, we close, and then we check on status details. Okay, here we can see the IP 24.24.24.25. Close. We minimize again, and then after that we configure the Firewall NAT Masquerade using the command IP Firewall NAT add chain is charnat, and then out interface is VLAN 1, and then action is masquerade. Enter. After that, we check with the command IP firewall NAT print. Enter. And here we can see if we have successfully configured the IP Firewall NAT Masquerade. After that, we open the network again. We change adapter setting. We disable. After that, we enable again. We reconnect. After that, we check on network. Change adapter setting, and we check on status, and here we can see if the IPv4 connectivity has got internet access from the MikroTik router. Okay, after that we close. We minimize again, and then after that we check that here we can see the network is connected. Then we do the test ping on CMD by click Windows R, CMD. We ping to the Google with the command ping google.com. Enter. And here we can see if the result is replay, which means the client router has get the internet access from the MikroTik router. Okay. Thank you guys for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.